Dear student, today I will solve remaining question of exercise 1.2. Question number 2. Check the injectivity and surjectivity of the following function. Injectivity means function 1 surjectivity means function onto given function. Solution of this question. Given function f from n to n, natural to natural, domain natural and also codomain natural. Given function fx is equal to x square. Now x1 is equal to x1 square and x2 is equal to x2 square. For 1 are injectivity fx1 is equal to fx2. So now fx1 put here in this. So x1 square is equal to, and also fx2 is equal to x2 square. So square cancel out. x1 is equal to x2. Image of distinct element are distinct. So therefore function f is injectivity. Again let fx is equal to y. Then since fx is equal to x square, therefore y is equal to x square, or x is equal to root y. Since y is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 ... so a natural number. So now since every element of codomain every element of codomain may have not pre-image in domain. Therefore f is not surjective. Hence f is injectivity but not surjectivity. injectivity. Question number 2, part 2. F such that z to z, integer to integer, given y function fx is equal to x square. So solution of this question, given function since f such that z to z and function fx is equal to x square. Now put x is equal to -1. So f -1 is equal to -1 is an integer. So -1 is equal to -1 square is equal to 1. Also put x is equal to 1 is equal to 1 square is equal to 1. Since 1 and -1 have same image in codomain, therefore f is not injectivity function. Given function f from z to z and function fx is equal to x square. So f from z to z, so fx is equal to x square. Now put -1 is equal to -1 square of 1 and put 1 is equal to 1 square 1. So these are same. So 1 and -1 have same image in codomain, therefore f is not injective function. And again let fx is equal to y, since fx is equal to x square. So y is equal to x square, therefore x is equal to root y. Every integer belong to codomain may not have pre-image in domain. For 3 belong to codomain, but root 3 does not belong to domain. Therefore f is not surjective function. There hence f is neither injective nor surjective function. Surjective function. Thanks.